You'll hear out there that celery juice is mostly water. This humble herb is much more than that. People are missing the most powerful points of celery juice and what it really is. Celery juice is a hydrobioactive liquid. This is a powerful healing herbal extraction. Sodium cluster salts, antioxidants, plant hormones, vitamin C, all of it suspends in a living form. It's not just water, it is a living mechanism that when you drink it, it becomes you and it starts to heal the body.
I was once told that I had fibromyalgia.
Chronic allergies, sinus issues, sleep issues, hot flashes.
I started going to a variety of different doctors.
No one knew what was wrong with me. I had other symptoms.
And nothing really helped very much.
When you're drinking celery juice, you can taste the sodium cluster salts. You can taste the medicinal qualities it has. This is one aspect of the power of the medicine celery juice provides. If somebody hasn't struggled or suffered with a symptom or condition that's chronic, it's easy for them to say celery juice is all water and it can't be working. It's knocking this remedy out of the hands of those who really need it. And it's disrespectful to the growing number of people that already recovered using celery juice. It's telling them that their hard work and healing accomplishments never happened.
About a month after that, I came across Medical Medium's book and decided to try the diet. Immediately, I started feeling better.
A lot of my symptoms have dissipated and I am feeling great.
As time has gone on, I just keep getting better and better.
When we get sick, the first thing we're told is to drink more water. But water hasn't healed anyone who's been suffering with any kind of chronic illness, but celery juice has.
I'm off all my medicine, I have no symptoms, and it's just a miracle. This is healing. You can all heal.